Alright guys, it's 4:45 in the morning. I am going to meet Anthony. We're going to try to fish this morning. And today on the tar, hopefully we'll catch some fish. I don't even care what it is. I don't care if it's bass. I don't care if it's bowfin. I don't care if it's pickerel. I honestly don't care. Just want to catch some fish. You'll probably be seeing this a week or so after I even go fishing with him because my computer's messed up. Today I'll find out if it's fixable or if I have to get a new one. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know this. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because you know stuff kind of before it happens. But hope you guys have a great day. My gas just kicked off. I'm gonna fill up and I'm gonna be there. So next time you see me, I'm gonna be fishing. You guys stay tuned. Alright, so here on the tar with Anthony, we are gonna fish, hopefully catch some on top water, hopefully catch some just in general. So let's see what we can do, and hopefully you guys will have an interesting video to watch. What you think?
I'm ready. It's a beautiful day out. It's going to be a beautiful day. Low 80s, so hopefully we'll get on something.
Perfect. So you guys stay tuned. Oh yeah, that's probably a bowfin. Yes, it's definitely fighting like one. Oh no, it's not. It's a big bass.
Watch your fingers.
I can't get my hands around it. No. Dude,
Whip them in the boat.
I can. It'll probably break my line.
Oh, there's a net behind you. What did I just get through?
That's a nice one. That's definitely a nice one. That's what I like to see early in the morning. Here I thought it was a bowfin. That's what I like to see in the morning. Got me a pair of these Arnett pliers. I like them.
Can you bring your scale?
I did. Yep. I'm gonna just put it on there just to see what it says. Oh yeah. Maybe this is a good sign for things to come today. He sure did. I swear, I would have sworn it was a bowfin just because of the way he was acting. All right. Whoa. 542. Not a bad way to start the morning. Not a bad way at all. All right, buddy. I'm gonna get you back in there. I'm gonna dip him real quick. I don't like keeping him out of the water too long. But yes, I do want to get a picture. All right, buddy. Oh, wait a minute. Let me turn my hat around. Looking like a damn redneck. I just realized it. Thank you. All right. All right, buddy. All right. Let's let him go. There it is. There you go. Ah, dang. That was a nice one. There you go. Running with it. Think you need a net? It's a striper.
Yep.
You want me to grab the net or?
Yeah, because they tend to like to get hooked in.
You think you got her or you want me to help you? Okay. Yeah, they like to thrash.
Small but still.
Oh yeah.
What, team running with it?
Uh-huh, yep.
Ooh.
There you go. Man, those are some nice teeth. A snakehead. Look at that running with it. Look.
Get him.
Ah, it's a bowfin. Yep. There you go. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate the fight, but I ain't trying to deal with you today. Always fished in when I was younger, and well, you know, when you're sweet, they like the way you taste, so can't help it. I'm so sweet. Do what? Yep. Yep. Figure I'd give it a few more minutes. I just don't know that they'll hit a whopper popper, and I don't want to scare them. So.
I will tell you what hits a frog more than anything else out here.
Look at that. Little dank. Oh, really? Damn, got him in the eye. Dang it. Maybe not. Little, that's a tiny one right there.
Everything he did was unscripted.
Yeah.
It was,
Damn it, all to hell. Wait a minute. Is that that's a fish. It was hung on something. I swear it was hung on something. He was hung on a limb or something. He had to have been. Check your hook. Nah, it's just because it's got a fish on it. Come on, dude. That's a smallmouth bass right there. That thing is a tiny mouth. Caught him in the lip. Yeah, I mean, look at it. Look how small his mouth is.
Yeah.
It's fatty, but
Where it's working for a living and living for the outdoors.
yep.
Your slogan's great too, but I got yours on the side of the boat.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at it running with it. It's a pretty bowfin right there. Come on, dude, shake off. I don't know if he's gonna shake off. Where is he hooked? Ah, nope. Dang it. All right, I got him. You mind if I put him in the net?
No, that's what I'm saying. I can get your grippers, pull them up next to the boat. Show you how I do it.
That's a pretty one.
If he's got blue on the bottom of him,
Really? Blue, like just.
his belly will be blue.
You got him?
Ooh, you got him good, right?
My grippers are. I really need to get another pair. Oh, he's bleeding.
They do that.
Yeah.
You got them in the boom.
There we go. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah, this is a female.
Okay.
Or no, this is a male. When they're spawning, all this down here will be blue.
Oh, okay.
It'll have a blue tint.
Huh.
But you can tell this is a male because see the spot?
Yep. Interesting. It's a pretty one. There he goes.
Oh, good one. He's fighting good. He ain't that big.
You want me to net him or? Okay. Oh yeah.
Fatty.
Oh yeah. That's a nice one. All right, so midday update. Well, mid-morning update because it's only like, I don't even know what time it is. 9 o'clock.
It's 8, not even 8:20.
Wow, 8:20, and we've already caught. Let's see.
We're at least 8 to 9 fish already.
Yep, and different species. Let's see, we've had bass, bowfin, striper.
That's it.
Pickerel. You caught
Pickerel
pickerel.
too.
So that's 4 different species in
Less than 2 hours.
Yep.
We haven't even been out here 2 hours.
We hadn't even made it past the first creek. That tells you how well it's going so far. So hopefully it'll continue to produce. We're gonna head over to a new creek after a bathroom break. So hopefully that'll continue. God. It's another pretty one. Man. I think I got him in the top of the mouth, so I don't think no, he's in the side, but I don't think he's gonna go anywhere. Oh, stick over the twitch. Oh, perfect. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. There you go. Oh, both in. Another pretty one.
He's an angry one.
Yep. Dang, how was he? It's through the top of his mouth.
There he goes.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, everything I've used from them I like. Oh yeah. Little bass.
But see, Illusion Baits, they are exclusive. They don't. We got 4 guys on the whole set.
That's nice.
They're like seeds. You pay $20 to apply to be on set.
What the?
That's a big old bluegill. That's a huge bluegill. Or is that a warmouth?
I think it's a warmouth.
That's a big one though.
Yeah. Oh, damn. Yep. I don't know. Maybe it is a... I don't know which one it is.
Look at the mouth. Because it got the mouth of a...
It's got a mouth of a crappie.
That's a warmouth. You see the red eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a warmouth.
They're pretty.
That's a big one.
It was a big one. Alright, last cast.
Here, or do you want to do it on the river?
We can do it in here. Go ahead and do it. Yeah, we can just do it whenever I sit down. Whenever we sit down. Okay, so I lied. This is the last cast. I just wanna. Damn it. Yep, one more. I really wanna. Not as close as I wanted, but it'll be good enough. Maybe something will come out and smash it. Nope, it didn't. All right. All right, well, that's gonna do it for the day. We caught 5 or 6 different species. Pretty good day. Don't even know how many fish we caught, but it was a bunch. So it was a pretty good day. Started off the morning great, but ended out the day pretty good. The bite just turns off when it gets hot. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out Anthony's channel, Anthony Horton Fishing. I will link him in the description. Make sure you check him out. He's going to be doing a giveaway once he gets to 200 subscribers. So make sure you guys go check him out and subscribe, and be looking forward to that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you grab life by the fish.